I'm seeing some new faces here, but I'm not new to the house. My name is Dapo Adegun. I work for a company called Alton Properties. We do real estate. So basically, I'm a friend of the house. So if you are seeing me for the first time, so you get aware. And nice to be here again. Today we are discussing about role of artificial intelligence in real estate. So that seems to some people. Is anybody aware of what they call artificial intelligence? So what do you understand about artificial intelligence? Anyone can help us? Just an idea. You don't need to. Want to help us?
More like a robot, programmed way of reasoning.
Okay, you tried. So basically, let's go to the it's not responding. Okay, artificial intelligence refers to a development of computer system capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, even speech recognition. AI technology aims to replicate or stimulate cognitive functions and have wide range application across various industries. So in a simple language, what that means is that artificial intelligence is a development, is a computer system capable of performing tasks typically required by human beings, especially repetitive tasks. And the best way to describe it is that, okay, let's say this door, usually open it every morning. Everybody come in and out. You come in at 8 o'clock. Everybody come in at different times. So to power this door, to be able to incorporate artificial intelligence into that door, basically what you need data, because there's nothing as without artificial intelligence, without what we call machine learning. So that's the language that powers that artificial intelligence use basically to function. Without that, there's nothing like that. Your artificial intelligence is as good as data that they have to function. Without data, there's nothing. Your artificial AI is nothing. So basically, for example, as I was saying about the door, so you come in 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, let's say everybody come at different times of this. So I power this door and I impute what they call machine learning into it. I program the door. Everybody come in. I have someone that be opening the door every time from you. Coming in 8 o'clock, BDS come in, Mr. Gbemiga come in, you close by 5 o'clock. And I put it, I just need to do this thing for maybe about 1 month. Let the machine get to understand what time everybody. Next time, within 1 or 2 weeks, the machine they are programmed would have understand when every individual comes in. So all I just need is security that is, I just need to sack him and let him go. You don't have your job again. Then next time you are coming in, you understand that, okay, BDS coming by 9 o'clock, he opens the door for you. You don't need to open it. You don't need anybody to press it for you. So that's what they call machine learning. Because machine learning is able to understand over time that this time BDS comes by 9 o'clock, Philip comes by 2 o'clock, this comes by 10 o'clock, and you understand those learning. He has understand this. That's what they call machine learning. Then after that, then we have what we call artificial intelligence. So you understand everybody, what you do, what you are not doing, what is meant to do, and what you are doing. So basically, that's what artificial intelligence talks about. So in real estate, how do we bring this down to real estate? How does it work in real estate? So I hope one day artificial intelligence will get to it that it can build our house, can build our road. But for now, as of today, there's nothing like that. But basically, what artificial intelligence is imparting to real estate is basically giving us data-driven information. So we are more or less accurate data we have about in real estate, about let's say construction, marketing, basically, our content creation, all our channels, what everybody does in real estate, giving us even both investor, both relator, both developer, give you what the right products you should use, and then identify investment opportunity for you. So number one, AI tool for real estate. Explore AI tool can effectively identify, evaluate potential investment opportunity within real estate sectors. So now we might come to real estate. So you understand, okay, now that we have legacy green in this area, based on data we generate over the time, now it's time for us to build what they call, it might not be legacy green again, I'm just setting an example, it can be based on data that if you do something that is called future something green, that one will sell based on the experience that people are having. This is what they are doing based on those data you are getting from artificial intelligence that power the operation and the way you do things, and give investors basically on, okay, what you should kind of invest in, what kind of people you do. And as an investor or as a developer, you understand the right product you should create for people, rather than when you develop your market, your product doesn't spend much in market, you are building what people want to buy, you are selling. So basically that's what you want. Data-driven investment decision, leveraging data analytics and AI insight to make informed investment decision and optimizing and minimizing risk investment. So over the years, people usually gamble. They will call, okay, in Lekki, what are people really buying? What are they there? Everybody gets work. They give you this kind of property. If you build high rise like this that looks like this, build an office space in Ikoyi, build an office space in everywhere, and you spend billions of naira to develop that kind of project, and in less than, after you finish the project, you expect your return on investment to start coming in, and now coming, you're not calling your that poor. But you tell me, say, if I give you 2 billion naira, if you develop that property for me, I'm going to make money. I'm not using my money. What happened? 2 months people are not doing, because what does can happen is that people lack data. They don't have information. They don't have access. It's just based on manual research. Go on the street, tell people, start talking to people about what do we do, what do we get on our result. But with AI powering what every real estate sector, data-driven investment decisions are made. You leverage on data, you analyze what everybody is doing, you understand, so you understand, give you a strategic and a clear insight on what to do, that you get your return on investment. Market trend, predictive analysis, utilizing predictive analytics to identify emerging market trend, capitalize or investment opportunity ahead. So I will use as an example market trend. So I'm sorry to do that. I'm going to use what my own area of skills that I've understand. So if you talk about Lekki Phase 1 for now, a market trend before was development last 2 years ago, but with advent of data and AI, even though investment understand that from Lekki Phase 1, Ikoyi VI, what sells more now is 2-bedroom apartments sells more than 3-bedroom apartments. You understand my point? So by AI, you understand, okay, in these next 2 years, you build what is selling here. And why do you know that? Because people are doing more shortlets. Airbnb is selling more. You get those data. Airbnb are selling more. That's why people are buying more apartments to do shortlets. If you build 2-bedroom, or if you build a duplex, 500 million, 1 billion naira, you are not going to sell it. But if you spend that money building an apartment, in less than 6 months, your property is gone. You move to the next project. Basically, that's what gives you market trend. You understand what people, even though you can be in diaspora, have people selling houses, buying houses and apartments, and they've never for one set their foot on that property they build. But they understand that they have people in my area that are building Airbnb. Millions are coming in out of that. So basically, that's what market trend. Risk assessment and portfolio optimization. AI-driven risk assessment model optimize investment portfolio and make long-term return on investment. So let's say you invest, what basically means that let's say you invest 1 billion naira or as a person to build a property. It gives you that in the next 5 years, you're supposed to make your return on investment. When you are not doing that, AI gives you the data that tells you that, okay, in this area, property are going for this for the amount. You are selling your home for this particular amount. You're already losing. Basically, it gives you data. That's what it gives you optimization and understand what next you should do and how to maximize return on your investment. Okay, enhancing property evaluation. Examine the role of AI in certain property processing, lead to more accurate assessments. Okay, before AI that everybody's shouting about, it was your accuracy on your data you usually get about 90%. Never accurate. Never accurate. But now that after implementation of AI, most from experience, from research we get, you have more 100% on your data. So you know you are hitting the bull in the eyes when you are thinking of your strategy on what to do. So it's not a guesswork. It's not like, and I tried this, not working. Then if you are having no return, then knows that you are not listening to the data you are having at your disposal. Is that something is missing, which is information, which is data you are not gathering enough. So which I always say that is more important. Your data is the life of every artificial intelligence you are doing. Guide it with life. If the data is not accurate, we let people manipulate it. An example of how this works is basically if I connect everyone within this network on the same internet and you start searching something, next thing in the next 1 or 2 hours you understand every behavior, everything. I can bet you in the network everybody here will be seeing the same thing that everybody is checking on that same network. So this is what they call algorithm model. So because they program it on Instagram or whatever it does, you understand it. Okay, this person he wants to buy a house. This person looks like he wants to buy a land. It's more interested in my products. If you search it, like 1, 2, you can try it. Carry your phone. Just go on Instagram, like 1, 3 or 4 people of similar thing. You will see that next less than 3 hours or 2 hours, you start seeing same thing like that, following up and down. Go on TikTok, the same thing. So that's our artificial intelligence. The algorithm have understand that this person is looking for these things, more interested in it. I showed you more. And they don't need anybody to sit down at the back end to be saying that, start pushing it for everybody. The machine learning is already programmed on it. You understand what everybody wants at a particular time. It gives you, if you are doing it, it shows your product to more people. If you are not doing anything, it doesn't show it to anybody. So basically that's how it works. Okay, optimizing decision making, empower EST professional with data analysis. So you gain competitive advantage on that. You gain competitive advantage, gain competitive edge, utilizing AI to make data-driven decisions ahead of market trend. So for you that you are powering AI in your AI, artificial intelligence, powering whatever your decision you are making as a developer, you are the edge of anybody that does not implement that into their whole system. You are at the edge of it because you see beyond. So otherwise people like, how do you know that this is what people is going to buy? But because you study it, you understand what people are doing, and you see, okay, in the future that this is what might be selling in this area, and you are ahead of them before everybody get there. Predictive analysis. Predictive analytics. Leverage a predictive analytics to forecast trends, market research, and real estate. I've said that before. Customer behavior analysis. Understand customer behavior pattern through AI analysis, tailored decision making strategy. So basically that's what I said. You understand what everybody is doing. You push your products. You push whatever you are selling in real estate. Right, people. So by through AI, you understand what everybody wants. Like I've explained, it pushes it to you. It shows your advert. It shows whatever you are doing to more people. You reach more people online, and then you make sales, and your result is gone. Risk mitigation, identify and mitigate potential risks through AI-powered assessment. So basically, what this means is that it shows if you buy a land in this FA, you are not going to get return here. You are not going to get in Ogun State. You are not going to get return on investment faster. But if you buy land in let's say in Ekpe, what they call it, in any other place, you get more return investment in 5 years. So you determine whether I want to push my money there or not. Basically, that's what that means. It helps you provide data for you to mitigate risk. Okay, explore potential, generative predictive insight, then behavioral. So basically, this just shows data between January when you are before AI and enter level, all this kind of thing. So, and then efficiency property management. So for property management, which I think is part of what I'd want, efficiency property management, dive into AI, contribute efficient property management, streamline operations, and enhance productivity. So basically, AI automate maintenance schedule. So they say you have a machine, you have something to do, you automate it. You don't need to tell someone or what to do. So let's say in property management or Airbnb, for instance, now you have an automator that you create a system that schedule that, okay, when anybody is coming to my apartment, they want to do something, any of our land, they check in with this property. Once they check in by this time and they check out, this thing sent to a security that should go and lock the door. Nobody needs to be there. Someone just needs to create something. Once someone enter that, the ripple effect of that will automatically, and anybody can be anywhere in the world. The next person get their email that, okay, Mr. Alabada just checked into your apartment. He's leaving. He just checked out. You need to go and clean. He send the message to the cleaner. Send the message to whoever wants to clean anything in the place. Everybody knows at every given time what to do when you're on AI. So, and predictive analysis maintenance, utilizing AI-driven predictive to forecast maintenance need, reduce downtime, and optimize it. So, all your machine, all gadget that everybody is using gives you maintenance. You understand how when you're what they call it, whenever you need any service or maintenance to do on any of your project, energy consumption, monitor energy usage, and optimize. Imagine a workspace wherever AI is power. Let's say, for example, a smart house. That whenever notice that there's nobody inside that building, the light goes off. It saves the company energy. You don't need anybody to off. Or maybe they notice that, okay, there's nobody, we need this office. The generator or anybody, whatever you like, automatically shut down. You can even forget. There's a place you can even forget to on the AC. You can forget to add anything. But once you go out of that environment, the thing automatically goes off and shut down and save you cost. You don't need to go, I forgot, I need to drive all the way from Ikeja to go and shut the gate or lock anything. So basically, once it's powered by AI, you automatically do that. For facility management, this is for facility management, enhanced tenancy experience, facilitate tenancy experience through data-driven insights. So you tell the tenant, let's say someone is renting your house, you have a building that you build that you are leasing out. It shows, okay, let's say for a cassava now, if you powered by AI, it tells you, okay, you invested this product in 3 months ago. Usually the cassava usually take 1 or 2 years for you to harvest. Within that month, even though you forgot to anywhere in the world, it tells you in 3 months time, you start preparing yourself to go and harvest your cassava or whatever you are doing. So basically that's how it works. And tenancy experience, it shows tenant, maybe tenant, you give your house to tenant, and in 6 months there's a remainder going on without you knowing, without anybody following up. You just automated, yeah, Mr. Something, you pay your house rent is going to be due in July. Don't forget, this is the account number to make payment or something. Just create general experience for people without anybody following or just have to be on. The human being has to be interacting with that every day. Streamline list management and the improve risk. AI aids the identifying and mitigating potential risks, safeguarding property investment, and ensuring operational continuity. So basically what that means is that improve your risk, tells you whatever before fire got to your house, you know. So basically that's what that understanding the impact, explore the influence of AI on real estate. AI driven market analysis, understand how AI is revolutionizing market analysis real estate. Investment insights, leverage on AI for identifying lucrative investment opportunity in real estate. So basically, it gives you information on what to do, what are the best things that's trending now that you can invest your money in the real estate sector. Now, it's hard when it's raining. Come and buy land, agro to home, do land, that's a new trend. Building your house regularly, I don't need 2 billion, I don't need 50 million to go and buy an apartment. Now, the new trend is securing the future space, buy a land and everything. So AI power those kind of things and shows the right page, know the next trend of investment. Enhance decision making, discovery, empower better decision making. So basically, it makes you to give you a better decision. So you are not gambling, you are not someone that just want to sell, telling you as an investor, you know you are making decisions based on data you provided to you. So that's it. Predict property trend, utilize AI to feature property trends. So basically, I've explained that before. It shows you the trend, what the people are doing, what the next feature you should put money to. Tailor property recommendation, allow AI real estate professional to offer personal property recommendation based on client behavior and utilization. So basically, what this means is tailored profession. So you don't show someone that's interested in land, you start showing them to come and buy the house. You understand? Basically, that's what this means. It doesn't show people that is better in agri-business, showing them to come and invest in oil and gas. So if AI is powering your sector or whatever you are doing, you understand this, that okay, show this ad to people. It's not like someone is missing. Have you experienced something before that you search something online, I like it too, or you don't even like it, just looking for one seconds. Even though that TikTok work like that, if you're looking for 1 to 2 seconds, just go. You don't need to like it, it keeps showing you. So that's how it is. Show the similar thing. Exactly that's it. You wonder, how do they get to know what I'm doing? So it's not that because there's AI that's powering that thing. So that's where you're able to see. It's showing you that. And nobody's actually doing, nobody's monitoring, nobody's seeing it. It's just pure artificial intelligence that is doing that. Efficiency, customer service, streamline customer processing, providing timely and personalized assistance to real estate clients. So people reaching out to you can reach out to businesses at any time of the line, make inquiry, and there's already an information that will give them access. Even the call can be placed to you. You try to call this person is not responding. We give you 5 or 3 other options that you can call just to make sure that you have a good personal experience. Enhancing client engagement, AI enable real estate professionals to engage with client, personalized content, communication, fostering and stronger relationship. Basically, that's what it does. It has general client engagement generally. So you are talking to people when they wonder, how do you guys know that I want to send you a mail? But because someone is already there, knowing that okay, behind the end, someone is already on our website trying to do something or trying to book our website, and and someone pick a call to them without even pressing send or pressing like. So you understand that. Predictive market insight, AI empower real estate professional with predictive insight, enabling them to participate clients and needs and market trend basically. So what's the future of AI? So all this here everybody has been talking about, I can tell you that it's not up to relatively when the AI started, maybe like 1 year, it's not up to 2 years, the whole industry. But it has been existing for years, but there's no really name they call it artificial intelligence then. There's nothing to call it then. So everybody was just there, and then we talk about the marketing and real estate, we talk before the buzzword of what they call artificial intelligence comes out. And everybody now you can write a letter, you can compare documents through AI, those things are power. You can generate an image, send it to AI, please create a document, this for me, compare. You have a 2 document, lawyer send it, you can compare everything, compare it. How does it profit me? There are a lot, you can use AI practically to create anything virtually, but not the one that requires human capital, but anything that has to do with human reasoning, professional services, you can use AI
Recording in progress.
Oh, I'm not calling. AI power valuation becomes standard practice by 2025. There's research going on that by 2025 becomes standard practice. So in every real estate sector, all the trades by 2025, we hope so. But I don't know in Nigeria, but this is a global standard by AI powered property valuation. So how people estimate property will be powered by AI, by data. It's not by guess of in this place now it's 500 million. I want to sell my house. Is this basically everything will be on data driven? What you see, what you can get, and then smart contracts and blockchain technology, revolutionary real estate. So blockchain and real estate. So when it talks about token and but that one is wrong. AI-driven virtual tour redefine real estate and viewing experience. So in the nearest future, people will not by that's 2025. People will not be needing to come and say, I want to buy this land, let me go and inspect it again. You can check the property in real life time. You come, you want to check it, and it's real life. You check everything on your map, wherever. You give me the coordinate of all. You just need as a seller, you just give them the coordinate, they will check the land. You can see what's currently happening there, live and direct, wherever you are. So you by 2025, 35, we will get to that level. And then enhancing AI competitive advantage. So issues of AI, data-driven decision, automation, repetitive tasks, all those kind of things. Dependency on data quality, integration challenges with existing system, potential job displacement, heavily rely on quality of data, facing challenge integrity in the system. So one of the major challenges that you will face as AI power system in real estate sector in the next future might be dependency on quality of your data. So you just imagine that all you are posting for people is just what they don't need. Use your data. They call you, go and gather data from you. You just went to one market, you gather everybody, you put it, you upload it on your system. What next you did is the same quality of what you garbage in, garbage out. The CEO or the whatever it is, we know that okay, this person they have done rubbish to my work that I asked them to do. This person is not becoming, because whatever you are doing is return on investment is not coming up. So basically that's what it cyber security. Then what are the other things we are going to experience? The cyber risk. Yahoo hacking to your system. They will just call you one day. Please, a number was sent to you. Can you send it to me? And you send it to me. The next thing you send it to them, you are getting debit alert on whatever is key, and then you see you are facing. That's the risk that technology changes we might have to experience. Personal customer experience, market trend, streamline property evaluation. I've talked about that. Okay, thank you. I think that's the last slide.